Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. In today's video, we're going to find out what I got in my May Boxycharm subscription box. Now, if you've seen my other videos for the last few months, I have not been happy with Boxycharm, and it's a little ridiculous because this is the premium box. So let's hope and cross our fingers and toes, all that they don't let me down this month. If you want to see what I got in my May Boxycharm premium subscription box, keep on watching. Alright, so this is the box. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is feeling kind of light. And you guys, I'm not gonna say it, so don't ask about my address. We're just gonna take the Boxycharm mermaid knife, get up in there. Y'all, I know you fucking lying. Guess who finally got a card? After all my complaining, after the struggle, I finally have a card. Thank you. And it says Mother Nature, I guess for May and Mother's Day and all those things. So here we go. Let's get it. This box is so scanty. I'm ready. All right, let's go. We're not playing. So this is a brush set. Baddington brush set. This is the box. This is what it looks like. It says it has one powder brush, a contour foundation brush, and I think that's it. 100% cruelty free. This retails for, this is by Baddington Beauty. It's a powder and contour brush set. This is $90. You lying. All right, let's see. Because remember the subscription box for Boxycharm, for the base box for Boxycharm, I believe it is $25, $27 for me with tax. The premium box is $35, so it's $10 more, about $37, something like that with tax. I don't really know, but it's more expensive. And I don't know what I'm doing with two brushes worth $90. This is nuts. Okay, so this is the, what brush is this? I'm assuming this is the foundation brush. Yeah, so this is the this is powder brush. There's a powder brush and a contour foundation brush. So I don't know. I personally like to use these kind of brushes for foundation that look like this, just a little bit more dense. This is kind of soft, so I would definitely go ahead and use this for powder. Look at that. Got these little hairs coming out. But this is a really soft brush. It feels nice, good quality. So there's a powder brush. And this here. Oh, I lied. Okay, what? All right, so I guess this would be the foundation brush, and this would be the powder contour brush, because this is the kind of brush you want to use to place on any loose powders. I guess chisel the cheeks, all that. But this feels really nice. Like, these are really nice brushes. A little bit small for me for foundation, just because I want to hurry up and get it done and not have to sit there. These little hairs are pissing me off. And just hurry up, get it done, and go on my business. But this is a really soft brush. Like, this is nice. All right, and these brushes are well made. For the foundation brush, you do see the little fibers, the little bristles coming out. I'm sure after you wash it, that'll stop. Hopefully, it's not just gonna continue shedding. On the handle, it does say the Baddington. Just have their little logo, there's their name. The foundation brush is actually like rubbing off. You can tell, like, after a few goes with this, it's definitely just going to completely rub off. So just keep that in mind. But these are nice brushes. Would I have paid $90 for two brushes? Absolutely not. My Zoeva brush set was just about $200 for 30 brushes. It came with the carrying case, just everything that you needed. So, and 30 brushes, okay? This is 2 for $90. I would never, but these are really good quality brushes. I'm not even gonna lie to you on that one. Next is Pure Heals. I don't know what this is. Centella 90. I have no idea what this is. Okay, what is it? This is a serum, but for what? Okay, so this is a face serum. I guess it's a firming serum. You put it on after you cleanse and tone, and then you put wow, okay. So you rub this on your face afterwards and you pat it down for better absorption. Oh, precautions for use. Oh, let's go. If you experience red spots, swelling, itchiness, or irritation when using the product, or when the skin is exposed to direct sunlight after using the product, consult a dermatologist. Do not use an open wound, eczema, dermatitis, or what? No way. I don't know. Let's smell it. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. So there's that. Let's see what the card says. Maybe it'd be a little more helpful. By Pure Heals. It says it's a soothing serum containing 90% of Centella Asiatic extract. Don't know what that is. Maybe it's great. Who knows? It says no way. It says relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. So why would they caution that it could cause itchiness, swelling, redness, or red spots when using it or after using it in direct sunlight? No idea. A little concerning. Let's smell it. Oh, I'm sorry. This is $28. So still cheaper than those brushes. What the hell? Ooh, it looks kind of thick. Y'all, everybody has quarantine weight and I don't. And I just want to be thick like Greek yogurt. And this is, let me live. Let me be great. Damn. This is the worst. Ooh, it smells like vitamins. It's okay. It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't really feel moisturizing. And it like absorbs pretty fast into the skin. It doesn't, once on, it doesn't really smell like anything. But in the bottle, it definitely has a smell. This kind of reminds me of Nature's Republic, the Korean skincare brand. And they have really good stuff, really cheap. And they were amazing while they were here. I don't know what happened to the store in Queens Center, but this was great. They were great. And they had oils in bottles just like this. And it was great for my skin. This is cool. Maybe I'll try it out. A little concerned about these precautions considering everything that they're warning against. It's supposed to be combating. Like, it's supposed to strengthen your skin so that it wouldn't be as sensitive. But it sounds like depending on your skin, you could definitely have all of those issues. So I have no idea about that, but I'm gonna try it. Why not? The next item is says sample, not for sale. Thank you. Sugar Rush. Oh, this is Tarte. This is a lip butter balm. I have lipstick on. This is $12 for a lip balm. Okay, that's cool. Hydrating butter lip balm. Let's smell it. The packaging is cute. I'm not gonna lie to you. This packaging is mad cute. Do you see that, guys? And then when you open it, it's a flower. Like, that's cute. And it's big enough that you won't lose it in your purse, even though I'm still gonna lose it in my purse. Just like a yellow rose. Oh, it smells like, kind of just smells like vanilla, which is cool. Can't go wrong with the lip balm. That's cool, $12. Did I want it in my Boxycharm box? Nope, but do I have it? Yep, and I'm gonna use it. The next item is the Chocolate Gold Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer. This is made with 100% cocoa powder and real gold. Sure, whatever. This is in the shade Luminous. I didn't know that they were shades. Too Faced must be really struggling. They're always in a Boxycharm box. And you know what's funny? An old coworker told me that. She said, I feel like Boxycharm keeps pushing Too Faced. So if they weren't getting canceled all the time, we wouldn't have to get it in Boxycharm. That's just how I feel. So this is the packaging. I do know that their chocolate collections are like loved by all. I have never used any of their like chocolate stuff. I've only, honestly, me personally, I only use the mascara. That's it. And you know, you can always find a different mascara. But this is really nice. It feels pretty heavy. Packaging is cute. Here it is. Let's open it if I can effing open it. Oh, so here it is. I don't know why people like luminous bronzers. I do not. I don't like my bronzer to have any shimmer. Okay, faint smell of like chocolate, but not like chocolate. It smells like, it's a little ashy still. Damn. I mean, I guess you can, if you don't want to put on a highlight, you just want a little shimmer, you can use this. You can barely even see it on my hand, like, whatever. But yeah, so it doesn't really smell like chocolate. It really smells like hot chocolate, which is not like a chocolatey smell. If you really like chocolate, this is cool. I'll try it. I don't really like, you know what? I don't see a palette in here. Let me just get a brush and a mirror and put some on. All right, so I just went ahead and grabbed my angled kabuki brush. This is what I use for my bronzer, and we're just gonna try it out. So I did zoom you guys in a little bit just so you can see. Not that I think it's gonna make a difference. I do have a little bit of highlight on right now. I'm not gonna lie to you, when you do open this up, you do smell the chocolate or like the cocoa, and it does smell good. But I'm never ever going to be a fan of bronzers with shimmer. Maybe, I don't know. Let's just try it. And nothing. Honestly, to be honest, I have on some rose gold highlight. This is my Physician Formula butter highlight, and I feel like maybe just, oh my god, actually, not gonna lie, it just kind of looks a little ashier under like my regular, so I didn't really contour. Oh, can you fucking see that? Here. Yeah, no. I knew it was ashy when I said it was ashy. Why did I play myself? This ain't it. It smells good, but a no. That's a no from me. Thank you. You can go back. Yeah. That is $30. So this bronzer is $30. You can honestly pick up a bronzer from Morphe or anything else, to be honest. This was moving on. Okay, so there's about 2 more items left. I said about. There's literally 2 more items left. In the premium box, you get 6 to 7 full-size products. In the base box, you get about 5 to 6, I think. Something along those lines. But next, we have, ooh, this is from Milk Makeup. This is a glow oil lip and cheek. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from, oh, so it's supposed to be like a glow from within type shit. Okay, but I don't know if I put something on my lips and my cheeks. I don't know. Let's try it. And look at that, trying to make me look stupid. As soon as I said full-size products, they give you a mini. You see, Boxycharm? Y'all trying to play me. But I'm not as upset this box, so you guys get a pass. But next time, don't fucking play. Alright, so here's what it looks like, just mini. I haven't really used too many things from Milk Makeup. I'm lying to you, I've only used 1 product, which is like the, okay. So I've only used 1 product, which was the their primer, the stick primer. So here's what it looks like. It's actually really cute. Like, that's mad cute. You see that? It doesn't smell like anything. It smells like a crayon. Oh, okay. So it's just, I wouldn't put this on my face. I don't even know that I would put this on my lips, if I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's an oil and my skin is oily. I wouldn't put it on my face. Not even as like a, no, I wouldn't. Can you guys see that? You can probably barely see it, but I'm not really feeling that. Like, not for my face. Like, it's cool. It's a cute product. Am I gonna use it? Maybe as a lip balm. It has a little shimmer, but not going on my face. It's not. Because I feel like just the consistency, you can, how could you do this? You couldn't use it as like a shimmer blush. I feel like you put it on top of your foundation, it's gonna start sliding around and pick up product. Like, I just don't know how to use it. So if you guys have this and you've actually used it and you like it, comment down below how you used it, because I have no idea how this would work. Not that I'm gonna use it on my skin. My skin is too damn oily for this shit, but definitely comment down below, let me know. I am curious. I don't know. So please let me know. It still smells like crayon. I don't know why I did that again. And for this is $15. So I wouldn't spend $15, but sure. The last item here is, this is a Kevyn Aucoin, the Expert Mascara. Ooh, I like mascaras. Kevyn Aucoin is a bit expensive, but this is only $29, which is not too bad. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara that I always use is about $23, so that's okay. Not terrible. Let's open it up. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Standard mascara packaging. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Okay. I don't know. Wow. Look at that, guys. That's a little, it's not like a typical spoolie. So it's kind of curved. Maybe it'll give you like volume. I don't know, but I want to try it. I have like a shit ton of mascara on right now, so not happening with this right now, but I don't know why I smell everything. I just do. But this is cool. I'm definitely excited to try that out. What is it supposed to do? Let's see what its claims are. Expert mascara has a weightless formula that's buildable and leaves lashes their fullest. So that's what I thought. I figured the spoolie had something to do with volume, and it does. This is why being soft to touch, not touching it, even after multiple applications, which is cool. It says there's a formula with Japanese camellia oil to fortify lashes and make them more elastic and resilient. I don't know if my lashes need all that. They're thick as shit. They don't listen to anybody. But that's cool. Mascara is always good. And honestly, I'm okay. I'm not upset. I'm gonna curse Boxycharm out this time because you know what? Because I got a card. You know, we're making baby steps. And there was a little bit more things in it that I could actually use. Probably just gonna, I don't know when I'm gonna use this. I still haven't used their other brushes that they give me. I haven't used any brushes that I got from Boxycharm, let me just be honest with you. A couple of them I just gave away. But $90 for 2 brushes is insane. Nuts. Like, don't get me wrong, there are good quality brushes. They feel nice to the touch. I don't know about that shedding. That foundation brush was a little, you know. But that's okay. This has taught me another lesson. I'm only gonna use their mascara. Too Faced has been, I've not had good experiences with them. I have not. If you've seen the video where I got that damn diamond highlight, it was shit. I'll put it somewhere here. But shit, okay? Terrible. I don't know why people were raving about it. And I was talking so much shit the video before, like, oh, I better get that highlight. But, you know, look at me. This is cool. Mascara is always good. Lip balm. You don't want dry ass, crusty lips. That's cool. Another serum. Can't go wrong. Maybe. This one is a little concerning. I don't know what's up with all these like precautions matching its benefits, but that's a lot for me. Someone please tell me how to use this. I don't know how it could work. Like, just logically, I feel like an oil on top of my makeup, like my whole face, is not gonna do well. It doesn't work well with my natural face oils. It's just a mess. So please, someone comment down below, let me know how that is. But that's it, guys. This is my May premium box. I'm not upset. I'm actually hopeful that Boxycharm is gonna actually get their shit together. I've been so pissed off the last couple boxes, and this says a lot because I'm not upset that there's no palette. Now, they did send me an email with a survey for different variations, and it gave me a little bit of hope. The card also gave me hope, like, yes, you guys are getting it together, getting my money's worth finally. So hopefully in the months to come, it'll be a lot better. Now, if you like this video, go ahead, give this a big thumbs up. It definitely helps me out a lot. Also, comment down below if you have Boxycharm, what was in your variation? What did you like? What are you tired of getting from Boxycharm? Are you tired of Too Faced in your Boxycharm? Like, we know they're always canceled. And honestly, from the products that I'm getting from them, I can see why. Aside from their social media, because they're a little, they're a lot. Okay, but don't forget, comment down below anything you'd like to see on this channel. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. I have so much more to come on this channel. I have a few reviews from some indie brands. I have a discount code for my favorite lashes ever. Finally, it'll be linked down below in the description box. I'll give you my code for 15% off, and that's with Premium Beauty lashes. You guys already know, always on this channel. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Make sure you go ahead, check out for my story because I do random giveaways, random gift card giveaways, and one is coming up soon. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time.